APHLC visits Rongkangthir village assure villagers to stand by their side. Forest Department sees illegal timber rough in Bugizan. Good morning, myself Malinti Mungpi brings you today's news update. The officials of Bugizan Forest Bid Office under Silonijan Range intercepted 2 rafts transporting illegal timber on Kolioni River and seized more than 85 pieces of expensive timber including risak in the VRs of Sunday. Forest officials suspect the timbers were brought from Borlangso, Sarihoti. However, no arrest could be made as the timber smugglers abandoned the raft and fled the spot. Rampant illegal fellings of trees in the area have resulted in depleting forest cover. Concerned public of the area has appealed of the KASC authority to instruct the Forest Department to increase vigil and initiate strict actions to curb timber smuggling. Moses Teron from Nelitum for 365 News India. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference visited Rongkangthir village. The village was established in 2012 and is located 4 kilometers away from Dipu town along the Dipu Lamding road. The inhabitants are mostly people who do not have land and were earlier staying in relief camp. Since its establishment, its inhabitants have been benefited by various government schemes including PMAY and toilets. The residents have already prepared their PAN, Aadhaar, voter ID with the village address and have also taken electricity connections. Now, in a shocking development, Karbi Anglong Network Council have recently asked the villagers to vacate the land. However, the villagers have made it clear that they will not vacate the land at any cost, no matter KASC allows or not. The APHLC have assured the villagers to firmly stand with the villagers. The party spokespersons Angtirinti while expressing surprise questions KASC as to why did it allow the establishment of the village at the first place when they have not intentions of settling it permanently. Inti further demanded that if KASC has any genuine intentions of eviction, they should first evict the non-tribals who have encroached land far more than this. Deborah Carter from Dipu for 365 News India.
Mane permanent settlement la land allotment phan ke process dam hot bang loge pale dam hone CM nang chi chak den ke lason lo Nelitum aphan nan ke neniwet ke chepatek tek thelo sidame a file council lalong pale no lapen ke mo Nelitum elected body EM ben kelok MSC lapen Nelitum la elected body to man se proposal lang deng pipon po EC long nang king by pipon po nang chi chak don amala sorting se Nelitum ke file process la file ta 892 a file number la KAC la oblique allotment oblique revenue a file number ke 892 la se la so file bang EM akhai omorsing tisu along sidolo amasi hala CM fan bang se alang le forward lo blote la bang ke EC meeting long ke deng ponji fan our side po same la so alar bang ke John Secretary bansi eviction hukum si pithurong amasi Nelitum fan ke damtang la phaikuni tarik krehni ani si letar nang isu lo within nikrep ho angbong nang tum dakpen pima nang tum hormu horta do anta chirung panang po chitrek panang po senang pulo siram Nelitum mangke judicial court fan abatai lo nili puji latum han pekpe ko ben si Nelitum mangke ladak engram sai lo judicial court aphan sa me along break thik pipo bsi ning thelo la si Nelitum mangla dak do thir thipo bsi Nelitum la dak arong hoipen bangke ning je thiblo kardo
thilo nasia ki sunga bangke la hello dak aratum longri ka besi dak nang bochi phan si dak bang ram nang pan lo dak lang Nelitum ningkan suri ni dak rehni ningkan ben si dak bang do nang pathir lo la pen la so phit dak Nelitum karju pen ke long teng protang te la ningkan suri ni dak ke thoma ningkan land and revenue la sut ke mosing ti mong ke ha si do bom posipu asila suri ni dak ke thoma ningkan si dak judicial court aphan Nelitum allotment pitet posipu along liat dang bang ke dak ke chiring koira phoke do dak number 53 la pen 80 phoke bra ke thom la pen thok na ke la si nilihin pen ki puji po bang la hello da council si dak ke Karbi Anglong le ke hem phulo la pen aron ka do bi ka salami ta council se hem phuro sita kidam tangani ke theklong ana bangke non an ke theklong bangke council tum la solong le a hem phu po mat hala ame tha mun tu aphan ke rabji kalisi pisung rong la poson sinang klem bom si bang bom la se so pu thak bangke ning duk lo la pen kivira krong lok se le tum bangke dam bom lo la si judicial court atum bangke long le sikinang ji la da ka long le vek ning pu ka likha la rong pang thera long le long kali puro tang judicial court ke kimun ilo pu ka lidet kente la si judicial court ke nang vek po punang kok po judicial court la ke chok che thetan do people si judicial court da nang le rok lo la ta council pen suri ni la sirkep aning kan ile ta ma customary law ateng pen ka ching sa la soron ke war phir choni sinon dak judicial court nang le rok lo la nang le rok lo non bang ke tum la ta mo ka preka chapter lo ka preka angdeng lo sitame non judicial court bang ke along ka preka tum bang ke dak seng melang tum kim milang sita dak rat tum bang ke dak kuwe jang phong hem biri bang dak che salam thai lo la pen osomart dak se lugo charli lo la pen dak ke government apen dak ke doping scheme doping lo pini la barpi barso hem so ta do ai hem so ta do dak meri hing dan banang hing lo dak Aadhaar card voter ID dat che salam lo la son si ka pek dak government documents apen dak akhian ke danang le lo government akhian ke la si non la pusona por hudan ta da council pen bank ke thak don bank ke ni tum ke thang na rap ne khilo pu bank ke la ke ame thanga munit phan panung kuk la son si thek long lo la si la ke ning duk piglam lo non ni tuma hin pen pini ki puji pu bank ke ni tum song polam kali sita dak bank ke la ke me thanga khe ki sung lo si arjab dun po la si dak ra thang ka tharle ji pu bank ke ni le tum bank ke kroi krelo la pen ka tharle ji polam long bank ke ethi ki puji bang do thulang council tum jong si ka tharle eviction claim ji pulutang te aron repen ke do hala phelang pi kheronia long pgr vgr along long ke do hadak nokati ki bihari ara tum hala dak do nokti ki bomlo saiti ki bomlo ta pen hem tha dak bang nona bangke paka hem si bang chikim bomlo dak pathir tanglo hala tuma phana bangke Karbi Anglong dak inglong so tum do an Karbi ra do an ke jokta eviction claim nang ne puke ningje bang avelu eviction claim non puske ningje lo ante hala dak inglong so ra tum eviction claim nang ji puke ningje dim people council to eviction claim ke dat kente non dak pinera phan bangke Karbi Anglong ra do an tum ta eviction claim nang ji puke jota ningje je sita council to bangke dak bang eviction bangke claim ji mate dak notice ta pituelo la si ke claim ke kaike ta ka parlin dak bangke non ki jusi puji bangke non parlin le pin pen dakarat phan jinso pen chinghon pen dakarat phan thale le non la pen judicial court phan bangke di phulong sistame asap su hello chat punon ba di phu along mata me adim ke dolang pa dakle pek thu sita mi la si la bang si ke claim phan si chuni re ni to me hen pen.
Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.